doorbell using Cat5. That has power. What's plugged into the doorbell does not. This white thing, this is for the smart doorbell, also plugged in, but this is not getting any power either. But so for whatever reason, there's two Ethernet cords, Cat5, whatever, coming out of this thing. Upstairs at the transformer, there's a blue and a white that are plugged into the transformer. This is two blues tied together, and blue and white stripe connected to the box without any kind of power coming to them. What should I do?